I'm Catherine Grant, founder CEO of ExperCARE Health, also wife and mom of 3 girls. I founded ExperCARE 15 years ago this June in Richmond Hill, Georgia, and have been a PA for 20 years, graduating from South University right here in Savannah, and then went to master's program at MUSC for physician assistant studies, but have learned everything I know about business through the School of Hard Knocks, I like to say, owning and operating my own business here. Yeah, so we opened the first clinic June 1st of 2009 in Richmond Hill, Georgia, and then slowly grew. We worked in the business for a number of years, learning the ins and outs of it, always with a vision of how can we make healthcare better? How can we deliver an incredible customer experience on demand, which fits people's lifestyle. So over the years, we have grown and added locations greater Savannah area, and we have just opened our 7th location, which is in Rincon, Georgia, and now have a spot pretty much all over the greater Savannah, expanding into Statesboro and Hinesville as well.
It's really been an unbelievable trip to work with her and alongside her, with her wonderful energy and imagination for what can be. Catherine is really a natural born leader. She has a lot of self-confidence. She meets people well. She truly cares. She's really amazing. Extremely smart. She's very bright. She's a great communicator. She's a very good listener. That's so important.
She brings to everything she does an energy of we can do it and we will do it. And I think that's what's so attractive about her and draws people to her. People want a bit of that magic, and she has it.
My advice would be never stop learning, never stop growing, and try to do things that maybe you don't quite know how to do yet. Most things are figure-outable, and get out there and take on something big. Be willing to own it, be willing to fail and fail fast, try again, and keep learning. That really is the path to success.
Catherine goes to great lengths, time and resources in team building. And that's an open round-robin discussion where anyone can say anything and it can be discussed around the room, and it just makes us all closer, and it also helps us to all be on the same page in caring for our patients and also for caring for one another. And it's part of what has grown ExperCARE into the company that it is.
Teamwork. I think for us to keep moving forward, there's so much potential with our growth and people moving to this area and industry, collaboration across all sectors. So everything from government, nonprofit, the private sector, working together on common goals and sharing that so that we can iterate again on those findings and use common resources for the collective good. I think that things like the Southeast Georgia Leadership Forum really offer that platform for the right conversations with the right people to happen.
Catherine is the perfect recipient for an Emerging Leader Award in our region, in our community. She is driven and driven toward good, whether it's whatever's in the best interest of her family, or whatever's in the best interest of her business, and whatever is in the best interest of this community that she so deeply loves. She truly is an emerging leader in our community. When I heard that she was receiving this award, I just nodded, yes, of course she is. It's a perfect recognition of all she contributes and all she will continue to contribute, I hope, for a very long time in this area.
Catherine already is a leader. I know she's being considered to be awarded an award for being an emerging leader, and indeed she continues to emerge. She is not satisfied with sitting still and resting on her laurels. She's always looking for new and better ways to deliver medical care in our community.
I'm so incredibly honored to have been chosen for this award. Our team has worked so hard. This doesn't obviously happen with just one person. There's so many people that I am so grateful for, from my business side to my family to my community mentors, and it's wonderful to be recognized for the work that they're all doing, and I'm just tremendously grateful for the honor.
What an honor it is to have been working with you these past 8 years, and you truly are one of the best leaders, one of the most talented leaders I have ever encountered. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I wish you all the best. You're a great mom, you're a great businesswoman, and how you balance all of that in your life is nothing short of miraculous.
Congratulations, Catherine. I am just so inspired by your example and so proud for you and proud to be associated with you.
It's validating. It's an honor. I'm so grateful.